My wife and I are coordinating the first annual St. Patrick Irish Road Bowling event.
Bob Dixon and his wife have been coming to St. Patrick, Missouri to celebrate St. Patty's Day for years. When they heard the town's post office and biggest moneymaker may be closing, they stepped in with an idea to draw a crowd.
We thought we'd be lucky if we got 5 teams. We've ended up with 20, so we have 80 participants this first year.
We've got probably a record crowd here today, and the Irish Road Bowling Tournament really brought a lot of folks to town.
Irish Road Bowling is a traditional event held in Ireland that's a mix between bowling and golf. It requires teams of 4, a steel ball, and some chalk.
You have a ball and it's 28 ounces and you have to throw it to your partner the partner has to guess how far you can throw it, and they've got to stand there. You got to try and get it to your partner, and then they've got to mark where it lands with a piece of chalk.
The team with the least amount of throws at the end of the road wins, but the real winner of the day was the post office that was packed with people.
Nowhere else in the world can you get this special cancellation from St. Patrick. We're hoping that they will keep it open.
The St. Patrick Post Office is part of a postal service plan to shut down almost 3,700 small post offices nationwide. Kristen Aguirre, KHQA News, St. Patrick, Missouri.